Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafty Krishna Goswami. I am here with a tutorial of Bohemian or BOHO bag. These bags are trending now and at the same time high-end budget. So thought of creating it under budget? Without wasting any more time, let's get started. These are the materials which I have used. This is an old bedsheet, so I thought of using it. I have cut the bedsheet in the given dimensions. Now wrap the bedsheet with any color of fabric. I have selected blue color here. Now stitch all the sides. Draw 1.5 inches square with the help of chalk or pencil. Now merging 4 squares and make one big square. Stick mirrors with the help of fabric glue. Do hand embroidery as per your requirement. I have created some yellow daisy flowers. Added katha stitch as a border. Some more katha stitches and continuing. Now added chain stitch to enhance the border. Added katha stitch to fill the squares. Added some fabric color and added some more colors. Now stitch point A with point A and point B with point B. Stitch left arrow together and do the same with right arrows. It will look something like this. Now attach zipper. The bag is ready now. Now we'll make the flap for this, taking another fabric with the same color. These are the dimensions which I have cut and added katha stitch for border. Followed the same process as earlier. Tried to make some flowers. Added lace with Cody cells. The length of handle is 46 inches and breadth is 2 inches. Attach the flap with the bag. This is the final look. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like, share, comment and save. My Instagram handle is crafty_krishna_goswami. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell button so you will never miss any new video. Thanks for watching.